Hello Clingers! Kung kagaya kayo ng pamilya namin na mahilig sa outdoor activities like camping, movie night under the stars, o kaya naman nagpupunta kayo sa mga lugar na madalas may power outage, then the new EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus might be for you. Kapag usapang power station at kung kagaya ko kayo na hindi naman techie, madalas ang concern natin is yung runtime o kung gaano nga ba katagal aabot ang power station kapag ginamit na. So for today's video, we will test the EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus with our camping gears, vlogging cameras, and some home appliances, and let's see kung gaano nga ba tatagal ang power station na to. By the way, ang compact at ang portable niya ha. Itong base unit which is the EcoFlow River 3 Plus, ang timbang niya is nasa 4.7 kilograms lang. So, kayang hawakan kahit isang kamay. Eh, maski yung mga anak ko, kaya siyang buhatin actually. How's it? Pero syempre, kapag camping, gusto natin, di ba, yung power station na mas tatagal o yung may higher capacity. So, para mas ma-maximize natin, let's connect the base unit with the EB600 extra battery. And just like that, from 286 watt-hour capacity, meron ka na ngayong maximum capacity of 858 watt-hour. Instant and wireless upgrade. Now, the EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus has 600 watts rated output. Ibig sabihin, kaya niya magpaandar ng device o ng mga device na may up to 600 watts total power requirement. Pero syempre, ang tanong pa rin is, gaano katagal? Para mas maganda, let's take these camping lights as an example. Ayan, para mas may space tayo, dito lang tayo mag-test. So, ito yung mga camping lights natin. So, tama-tama, merong dalawang USB ports. Tapos, meron siyang dalawang USB-C. Tapos, yung USB port. USB dito sa taas. Another one na ilalagay natin sa USB. Yan, if you can see, 5 watts lang yung kinukonsume nito. Itong ating camping light. Siyempre, madadagdagan yan ng 4 watts. Okay. Okay, this time naman, itest natin yung mga camping fan. Yan, yung mga port nito nasa likod actually. Parang di aabot yung cord natin. So, ilipat natin kayo dito. Let's charge one fan. Okay, isa pang electric fan. Iyon, umabot. Dalawang electric fan, 9, nagaro sa 8 to 9 watts yung konsumo nila. And aabot ng 2.4 days. Kung itong dalawang electric fan na lang na to ang gagamitin natin. Pero syempre, hindi naman ganun yun. So, itest natin itong isang medyo, alam ko mataas ang power requirement nito eh. Ayan. Paganahin natin. Ayan. Yun, gumana na. So, tatlong electric fan. Ito pwedeng direct na kahit na hindi i-charge. At pwedeng i-maximize. Ito kasi may 7 level tong fan na to eh. Medyo heavy duty siya. So, aabot lang ng 15 watts yung output. And may runtime tayo na 1.5 days. Ang tagal So dahil nagaro lang sa 14 to 15 watts ang nakokonsume niya at kaya ng RiverFlow Max Plus ang up to 600 watts, ibig sabihin pwede pa tayo mag-add ng multiple devices ng sabay-sabay. So ito na natin. Okay. Ayan, isasakta na natin ang ating watch. At dahil may dalawa pang AC ports sa likod, sige gamitin natin itong isa pa. Mag-charge tayo ng ating cellphone. Ayan, charging na ang ating cellphone. Siyempre, meron pang isang AC outlet. Bali, tatlo lahat sila actually. Gamitin na rin natin yan. I-charge na rin natin ang ating camera. Lobat naman talaga yan. So, sige, saksak na rin natin to. Ayun, charging. So, let's see kung ilan ang output at gaano pa tatagal ang ating power station. So, yun, 50 watts lang guys. Kaya nagaro sa 50 to 51 watts ang konsumo o yung output. And tatagal pa ang ating power station ng 14.7 hours. Ito silang lahat guys. Ayan. Ayan silang lahat. So labo-labo na sila dyan. Nakasaksak. Kapag nagka-camping kami or kahit ano pang adventure yan, we make sure na document namin lahat ng family moments namin through photos and videos. So this time, yung mga camera naman ang susubukan natin. Okay, so phone vlogging muna tayo ha, kasi pati yung aking main camera i-charge natin. Ayan, i-on natin. Sige, sa Type-C tayo. Kaya na ayaw gumana nito kasi ata hindi siya pwede sa masyadong mga low wattage. Kanina na-charge ko na rin ang ating mirrorless camera, pero sige, i-charge natin siya ulit. Yun. Okay. Huwag nating harangan ng ating monitor. So this time, USB-A. Alright, isa pang USB-A. Si Oreo. Hey Oreo! Nialaro niya yung mga wire. Pero sige, for the sake of, ayun, it's working. Last one, our Insta360. Yun. Yun, charging din. Okay, so pwede nito guys sa ano yun? Drone. Ayan, syempre wala pa tayong drone pero soon hopefully magkaroon na. So with 3 cameras, ang output niya is 17 watts lang, and according dito sa ating monitor, kaya pa ng runtime o tatagal pa ang ating power station ng 1.5 days. Another thing na gustong-gusto namin gawin o ginagawa is yung outdoor movie night. So this time, i-test naman natin kung gaano nga patatagal ang EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus with our movie projector. Kunwari na lang sa outdoor tayo ha. Okay, so with our movie projector, ang actual output niya nag-aaro sa 50 to 53 watts. Ayan, I hope makikita nyo guys. So ibig sabihin, pwede tayo mag-movie marathon gamit ang projector ng 14 hours. O diba, ang gagaling ng mga anak ko. Sabi ko, mag-movie time kami pero nag-Hunter x Hunter. Pero stick, diba? Pwede na kami mag-movie time in one of our campings. Actually, the EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus can support 90% of household appliances. So let's say, kunwari, may power outage sa lugar kung nasaan kayo. Kagaya namin, madalas kami umuwi sa tiny house namin sa province. Imagine summer, ang init. Nawawalan pa ng kuryente minsan. Siyempre, at least lang dapat meron tayo electric fan, diba? So, tingnan natin kung gaano nga ba tatagal itong ating power station with this regular fan. Okay, so yung electric fan, parang yung projector lang din natin. Nag-aaro sa 54 to 55 watts yung output. So, dahil dyan, tatagal pa ang ating 95% na power station ng 12.5 hours. Yun, galing. Oh, heto naman. What if may power outage tapos bored na bored ang mga bata at gustong manood ng TV?
How much episodes are here? How much episodes are here? He has a lot of money. Wow, he's so rich.
So for our 55-inch TV, let's see kung gaano kalaki ang consumption niya. Ayun, asan na? It's running on 102 watts. Yun yung output niya, 102 watts. So, kung manonood ng TV gamit ang ating power station, tatagal to ng 7.6 hours. Since pinag-uusapan na rin natin ang power outage, alam nyo ba na si EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus ay may built-in UPS? Ibig sabihin, dahil sa less than 10 millisecond auto switch feature, you can now keep your data protected and your computer running without interruption. Paano naman yung mga appliances na may over 600 watts power requirement? Particularly yung mga heating equipment o yung mga heating appliances like microwave oven, ano pa ba? Coffee maker, bread toaster, at kung ano-ano pa. Aside from being able to control your power station via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, meron din siyang X-Boost mode which you can turn on via the app, and once na naka-on na yan, pwede ka na rin magsaksak ng mga appliances na may up to 1,200 watts power requirement. Ayan, tama-tama, gutom na ako guys. At saka actually, mahilig na kayong pamilya namin sa tinapay. So, i-test natin itong bread toaster. Ayan. Sige my boy, put it. Oh, put it properly. Ayan. Pull it down. This bread toaster is actually running at 850 watts kung di ako nagkakamali. Nag-aaro siya at 598 to 601 watts. This is because of the X-Boost feature. Tingnan natin matapos. Tingnan natin. 92% pa yung battery ng ating power station. So if you're gonna use this bread toaster, ayan, meron pa siyang tatagal ang ating power station ng 1.2 hours. Kung tuloy-tuloy mo gagamitin, eh syempre saglit ka na mag-toast, diba? Mga 2 minutes lang yan. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Yun. Na-toast ba? Parang hindi mo na-toast mahina yung ano natin. Mahina. Uulit natin guys. Mahina yung ating settings.
Yan na?
Go.
But I need to ring it.
No need. May gigil.
Dad, I could see it from the side and I could feel it. So then I toasting that, I think. I smell it. It smells like toast. Oh, we should add some butter.
No need na.
Syrup.
I just want bread.
Okay. Almost.
There! Ayun. Mahina nga kanina. So, yan. Hindi ko na matandaan kayo na kung ilang percentage pa yung battery natin. So, natira ngayon is 88% after toasting bread for 2 times. Palakpak pa.
We should bring this toaster to the camp.
At dahil may tinapaya tayo, guys, itodo na natin. Magkape na rin tayo. Okay naman yung reset. Actually, mahilig din kami ni Mami sa coffee. So, mag-coffee maker tayo this time. Seryoso ako, guys, may coffee maker ako dito. Sige, saksak natin sa ating EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus. Yan, lagyan natin ng tubig. Magkakawit taga ako, guys. Bango.
I want their coffee.
Yung assistant natin nakikiamoy ng kape. Pahingi ang kamay lang. Okay.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum,
Wait
yum.
lang. Okay na to.
Yum, yum, yum,
Maming Grace. Okay na to.
yum, yum.
Ayan. Wait lang ako. Okay, dagdagan natin. Ayan, okay na to.
Should we drink it or eat it?
Wait lang. Turn on natin yung coffee maker. Alright, turn on natin. Yun. Ayan na. Gumagana na. Actually, itong coffee maker to is running at 800 watts. Pero dahil sa X-Boost feature ng ating EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus, ayan, nag-aaro sa 599 to 601 watts ang ating output. At dahil dyan, tatagal ang ating power station ng 1.1 hours na lang. Yun, kaya niya guys, pero hindi siya agad uminit. Ayan, mga patapos na, doon na lang siya uminit ng todo. So, kailangan pala matagal-tagal kang brew ng coffee. Now, what if low-bat or 0% na ang ating power station? Eh, de syempre, i-charge. Pero kidding aside guys, ang maganda kay EcoFlow, meron siyang advanced extreme technology. Meaning, you can charge the base unit from 0 to 100% in an hour. Yan nga, wala pa actually 1 hour pero puno na yung base unit. So even before you finish packing all your things, fully charged na yung device and you're ready to go. Kapag nakakonect naman yung EB600, kaya niya mag-charge in approximately 1.5 hours via the AC unit. Yan guys, so ilaw na to yung indicator if puno na yung extra battery. I said via AC input dahil ang totoo, maraming paraan para i-charge ang ating power station. One of which is via car charging. So pasok mo lang to sa car charger, and you're good to go. Yan, nagka-charge na yung unit natin. Tapos, pwede rin via portable solar panel. Medyo late na guys at wala ng araw actually. Kung mapapansin nyo, konti lang yung nakukuha niyang power from the solar panel. This time, let's talk about our investment. Ito para sa akin lang ha. Sulit na sulit mag-invest sa EcoFlow River Max Plus kasi aabot lang naman ng 10 years bago pa mag-drop ang battery capacity to 80%. Now, magkano nga ba ang EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus? For the latest price, promos, and other details, please see the links in the description box of this video. Maraming promos that you can take advantage of, and for an extra 5% discount, you may use our code ECOF on B5F when you check out via the official store or website. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much EcoFlow for trusting us on this. If umabot ka sa part ng video na to, let us know in the comment kung saan kayo magka-camping soon. Ayan, hopefully magkita-kita tayo guys. And if you have questions, just comment them down below. God bless everyone!